It's New Year's Eve 2021.
It's New Year's Eve, you guys.
This is the madness before the mayhem.
The mayhem for madness.
Well, y'all know what I mean.
Hello.
I'm going here to this mirror. This is New Year's Eve. You really supposed to make your New Year's resolution on y'all birthday, man, because you got a whole nother year before your birthday comes. That's my New Year, on my birthday. But anyway, Happy New Year to everybody. If you just seeing this, we like to thank all our first day one subscribers. The subscribers been there since day one, man. We thank y'all, man. It's been there from day one. From when we had 1, 2, 3. I think the first 3 subscribers were our own personal channels. But other than that, man, we like to thank y'all for being here, being supportive, not unsubscribing, and just being a part of our journey, man. We appreciate that a lot, man. Y'all always know I come with the realest doing New Year's, so I have a little speech for y'all later. But as far as right now, we just thanking our day one subscribers. Our new subscribers too, but I've been thanking the new subscribers a lot and not thinking of the day one subscribers because that's what's keeping us main and holding us down basically. So thank you subscribers, thank all y'all, and enjoy the day. Summertime makes me feel fine. What it is? Summer breeze. Whatever it is.
You guys, today is January 1st, 2022. It's New Year's Day.
That's all you got to say? Is that it's New Year's Day?
I'm cooking breakfast, y'all. I'm cooking shrimp and grits.
And it's a recall on you?
Listen, I've been bought you. Yeah.
Nigga, but listen, I've been bought
I've been bought these onions. And if it is, we're going to find out if it's a recall.
What? What you in here finna whip up today? On New Year's Day?
Shrimp and grits.
You see that shrimp? You see it? You see that shrimp?
Oh, yeah. We got guns in the house.
No, I don't know how to tell no ain't. Let you tell it. Nah, you just was finna say it. I don't know how to do nothing, so I'm gonna stay like that. Yeah, I've been trying to tell you that. I'm gonna take it out. You know that guy was gonna get took out. You wanna be grand on the camera. You just wanna be grand. That's all that is. That's all that is. I came here to see, for y'all to see her prepare. But as you can see, she's still in the killing stage.
And y'all, look at the grits you went and bought from the store. Everybody knows you're supposed to cook your grits. This man go buy packets of grits.
I bought the best grits.
That's fine, it's okay.
Well, why you gonna talk about it then? If it's fine and it's okay. I bought the best grits money can buy. Hit back off here. Doing all these brands and names. Start pulling the labels off. Do promotion, trying to see what's possible. We'll be back, y'all.
Nigga pray for help if you can't hate yourself. All my life niggas hated on me, but now look, nigga, we finna make it on 3. Might catch the niggas on down, is on 3. Body speed to the show, still made it on E, nigga. Still holding down 8OB3, so fuck.
Okay, you guys, so I have chopped bell peppers, green bell peppers, onions, and I'm chopping some garlic now. Okay, you guys, so I'm about to put in the crumb. I'm going to use some New Orleans Cajun seasoning, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and some Old Bay. Y'all see my goodies. My favorite, I love Cajun seasoning, y'all. I like hot stuff. I like Cajun. Okay, so we're gonna use like 3 tablespoons of butter. Saute the bell peppers, the onions, the garlic, and the shrimp. And these Argentina red jumbo shrimp, y'all. I know y'all probably looking at them like they already pre-cooked, but they not. They red shrimp. My garlic, my onions, my bell peppers, and then I'm gonna add my shrimp once those vegetables get air-dried in the pan. Garlic, I add to the pan first.
hear that? She love onions. Fuck what we like.
They could learn to cook. And you can have it your way. You can have what you like.
I do know how to cook. I know how to cook everything.
Okay, so the bell peppers and the onions, I'm gonna cook them down. I'm gonna add a little seasoning to this because I like my food seasoned. I like savory, seasoned food. I don't like nothing bland. So all the seasoning I put on my shrimp, I'm gonna add to my vegetables. Okay, we'll come back once these cook down.
Cook, well done.
Y'all, since he brought me instant grits, what I did was I put the chicken broth, cooked them in the chicken broth. Because you know normally when you have the regular grits, you use the chicken broth on top of the stove. So I just cooked them in the chicken broth. Added some cheese on it.
Alright, y'all. Y'all niggas ain't eating shrimp, bro.
I'm on the scene with Gucci boots and Gucci jeans. New era on the brain, young son of Luther King. Every night I went to bed with a millionaire dream. Hey, I'm on this something, cause I made me something, but now